So, it's been a little while. I haven't made a video like this in a while, but I am driving 2 hours southeast of Boise to go visit Idaho Mammoth Caves and Shoshone Bird Museum. Dude, I love caves. I'm excited, but it's gonna be a long drive, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. This is gonna be fun. All right, it's about 2 hours later, and we finally made it. Let's check out what it looks like out here. I am in the middle of nowhere. This is where I go for the cave, right? Perfect, awesome, thank you so much. I think this is the way to go. That dude at the counter seemed very sketched out about me and my camera. All right, here we go. This is crazy. Oh, the name is over there. Whoa. Can you hear that? Dude, it sounds like a cave. That's crazy. That's so cool. You guys are nerding out. I also don't know if there's anybody else in here. I might be the only one. It's also really cold in here. And I am doing this alone too, for the record. I believe these caves are lava tubes. And I get no signal in here either. I guess it's pretty obvious. Oh, look up there. It's crazy. Let's see. That's so cool. It sounds like there's somebody else in here. Oh no, that's just the water droplets. They're like landing in a pool of water and it's really loud. Like that. Ooh, what is this? Oh. That's kind of ominous. Alright guys, I'm gonna do the thing. I'm gonna turn off the light for a moment. Ready? There's low. Oh my god, it is pitch black. I feel like in SpongeBob and Rock Bottom, this is advanced darkness. Small bats in this cave. Oh, you see that right there? It's 40 degrees in here. I'm in a t-shirt. It's very cold, but it feels so nice. Dude, this is crazy. Hold on. I'm sorry, I need another picture. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video for just a second. So I have just stopped the video and then I got here. This looks like as far as I can go. Am I... Oh, I can see the dust in the air. I don't know if I'm allowed to go further. Well, as much as I want to, it did say this whole place is on video camera, so I don't want to risk getting in trouble. But dude, this is so cool. Caves are such a crazy thing, man. And I've mentioned this in my Ireland video a while back when I was looking at the cliffs, but the places like this, like natural places, remind you that, like, dude, life is fragile. I'm underground with no signal in the pitch black. If this place caves in, there is absolutely nothing that I can do about it. And I feel like part of doing stuff like this is realizing and accepting that. It's a crazy world we live in, man. This is beautiful. Oh, man, I really want to go back and check back there, but like I said, I don't want to risk it. I am going to go visit another cave today also, and then I can go in and check out the museum there too. But I don't think I'm going to bring my camera in there. The dude seemed a little bit weird about it when I was getting my ticket. I am going to see if I can get a picture of myself, though. Dude, this is so cool. There it is. There's something very comforting yet terrifying about caves. Ooh, that's bright. Oh, and immediately gets like 20 degrees warmer. No, probably more than that. All right. Well, I'm gonna go check out the museum real quick, put my bag away, and then I'm gonna go check out the next caves. All right, well, that was really cool. There's a lot of birds outside here. They kind of sound like Kevin the Snipe from Up. All right, well, today's been cool. Hopefully it's not another couple months until I make another video. But hey, have a good one, guys. See you in the next one.